Here I show how to construct a Gerotor with DesignSpark Mechanical. That's what we are going to construct. It's a 4-teeth Gerotor with a 5-teeth outer rotor and a 4-teeth inner rotor. The interesting part is here, this one. How do we get this round? And that's the first thing we'll care about. This is at position 0 degree rotation of the inner rotor. And yeah, let's start. Make a new design. So flip it here. And now, so we start with some circles representing the inner rotor. Let's take a radius of 12 and say 6 millimeters of the circles. Do this again and again and one more. So we construct a rather rough version of the inner rotor. We'll care about the rest later. So cut away what we don't need anymore. Now we can start to pull. Let's make it say 8 millimeters. So nice. So our inner rotor is complete so far. Let's rename it. So now we'll do a rough version of our outer rotor. So first let's put some 2 points, center of the inner rotor and center of the outer rotor. Let's take 3 millimeters, which is the half of the diameter of the circles or the radius of the circles. That's a good value for the for the distance between inner and outer rotor axis. So let's see where the outer rotor circles must be, and we'll first construct this part, that one, these two here, and that one we already have. So first, the outer rotor is divided by 72 degrees, which is 360 degrees divided by 5, because we have 5 teeth. So I just showed the whole one. Let's do some lines, construct some lines. One more. Here you have to put tab to get to the angle. So one more. Tab 52 degrees. One more. 72. Escape. 72. So that's enough so far. So let's put the other just 2 circles, also 6 millimeters. So now we get to the interesting part. Let's get a bit closer. So zoom in a bit more so we can see what I do. So I do a tangent arc, tangent here. You see the two, a tangent sign here, also tangent sign. So it's tangent from here and tangent from to here. So that's almost all we need so far for the outer rotor. So let's do another circle. 40. Let's make it 42. Now we have to add here 2 lines to get to the outer circle. Now we can trim away what we don't need anymore. Maybe there's an easier way. Let's see. Not really. So we trim it away this way, doesn't matter. 15 away. So now we have one segment of our outer rotor, and now we can extrude it and then copy it. So first let's extrude it. Too. Nah. Okay, let's look at it from this side, doesn't matter. So let's copy and rotate that part. So first we select this one. I say we copy it first with Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So select this one, Control C, Control V, and we have another one. So now we move this one, not from this position, but we move the center to the center of the outer rotor. So now we can move the copy, move it by 72 degrees. So now copy again, Control C, Control V, and continue rotating. Once again 72 degrees. Control C, Control V, rotate 72 degrees. And once again, Control C, Control V, and rotate. So it looks much more like the outer rotor as we imagine it. So now we can make one part of these parts we copied. So select, just hide the inner rotor for not to make a mistake. Combine, press Control, no, take it from this side, it's easier. Here. Yeah. Okay, so let's rename that solid to the outer rotor. So that's fine so far. Now the second what we have to care of, let's see, when we turn our gerotor for 45 degrees, it looks like this. And here we get that angle from, or that line from, and it must be tangent to the outer rotor at this place, and tangent to these two circles. So let's do this. For this we just rotate both the inner and the outer rotor. First let's take the outer rotor, rotate it by 36 degrees, or half of 72, and the inner one we rotate by 45 degrees. So now we have the situation like here. And now let's construct the other side. So we take a tangent R, must be tangent to here, and be tangent here. And tangent, tangent, tangent. You see the tangent sign? So, we're done with this. The outer rotor we don't need anymore so far. So we can now extrude our new surface. Millimeters. Let's see if it is alright. Yep. And now let's do the same thing as we have done before with the other part. Just move. That's solid. From the center. Forgot to copy it. First copy it and now rotate 90 degrees. Nice, copy again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, rotate 90 degrees, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and once again. So here we are. Now we can make it one solid. Oh, that's it. Ready.